Did you know of any of the allegations lezi ezikhulunywayo ngoGeneral uSibiya zokuthi eGauteng wayethenge equipment engekho emthethweni to nanokuthi uMr Herman Mashaba weAction SA bafihla information from uLokhunja from former public protector mayelana necompetence yakhe ukuthi akayiphasile base bemcasha?
I knew a problem about the equipment, the gadget. The competence and all that I heard from you for the very first time. And I was surprised. I didn't know about that. But I did know that there were problems about the question of gadget.
Okay, kukhona wakwenza mhlambe kulelo banga lelo mphathi.
Khona ngakwenza.
Yeah, kulento ama gadget. Mhlambe wakhuza wathetha wenza.
Ngenaphi lapha? This is municipality. I'm a minister of police.
Wambuza kodwa.
Uba.
Yena mhlambe uSibiya mhlambe kwalithola ithuba lokuthi umbize.
Was not a police. Usibiya was not a police.
Angithi ngibuza ngoba mhlambe masesebenza endaweni ephethwe wena mhlambe ukumbuza indoda nje bososebenza la kumina kunecala elithi ngapha kwenzakalana.
I could not have asked him because 3 institutions had already declared him, and I've mentioned those institutions. But when this was raised there, I was a minister of police, not a mayor. I'm sure the mayor could have done better to ask him.
Okay, no ngiyabonga kakhulu ba. Kule ndaba le 360 million tender yaka CAT. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi awungeni mhlawumbe endabeni yokuthi alithole itender. And ngiyayazi procedure yokuthi tender lihamba kanjani ukuze lithole. But I just want to know ukuthi wena as a minister, because it's alleged ukuthi politicians, specifically ministers, have influence. Did you have any influence ukuthi alithole leli tender mhlawumbe uKhethi Matlala?
I didn't know anything about the tender, let alone influence. I could not have influenced the tender that I didn't know about.
Ubudlelwano bakho no General Khumalo bunjani boma babunjani?
Muphi Khumalo?
Khumalo loboshwe.
Uno General Jabulani, uno Dumsani. Muphi.
uDumsani.
Okay. No.
Head of Intelligence.
Ubudlelwano bami is good. Okay, wa good.
Buke balemala phambilini?
Lutho.
Kaze.
Lutho.
Nalo omunye uJabulani? Jabulani Khumalo ngoba usomfakile ngisale ngikubuza.
Okay. I'm not very close to Jabulani like Khumalo. Khumalo work quite closely. The Jabulani SP, Utumsan, we have worked very closely, especially what put us together are these things of political killings. He has been a special task force, Jabulani, so he's more on the operation out there. But that we are enemies or I hate him, it would be a ridiculous statement to say. No.
Ngikubuza ngoba ngifuna ukunderstand la mphathi ukuthi lokukhubhana kwalabo general lephezulu ngokwakho ucabanga kubangelwa yini kwasuswa yini futhi makuthi khona ozophumelela between these two parties uyowina yini lelwelwayo lapho ngokubuka kwakho usewumphathi as a minister?
Babengahubhani ngisekhona. Bahubhane manje sengihambile.
Manje sohambile.
Baze bahubhane ngkhona nawe kwazuzwa.
Ngokwakho ukwazi yini inkinga mphathi?
Ngeke ngazi ngoba ngikho.
Lutho. Asibeke phansi kahle kodwa ngijabule kahle. Ngiyabonga.
No, Minister, but kunjalo angikho sengizokwazi kanjani.
Angifuni ukuxabanisa sinawo. Ngibiza ngenono manje ngithi angibaleke lapho. Minister, uformer minister Mchunu ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi ungihlolile kahle kahle enkulumeni ye recording, ye voice recording. I just want to know from you as a minister because ngibonile mawucala ukukhuluma ukuthi cha indoda eqotho uyibeka nje into enjalo. Pertaining ukurecordwa komuntu efonini ungamtshelanga noma ungayitholanga permission, what's your take on that? Is it correct makathi kumele ube khona kwesithathu?
That is illegal.
As a minister, is it a criminal offense? to do that? If we are minister, the
Well-
question is that.
You see, you phone the bank, or they phone you, they say, we must warn you. You could simply say, I'm dropping it now. Or any other people, they would say, I would warn you. This one, I thought it's illegal that I speak to you and you are taping me. Whether it's a criminal offense or whatever kind of it, I can't tell. The learned friends can tell on that one. But I would suspect that is, maybe saying is illegal is a strong term, but I don't think it's permitted that you can tape me without my consent.
Njengomunye wayephethe amaphoyisa in the minister's position, cela ukubuza as a citizen. Ubaba uMchunu ufike la wathi ke yena uyena onikeze, according to me uthe instruction yokuthi abomrecorder umkhwanazi uMr Mchunu, uMr Nkabinde. But ugcine sethi ke kube umbono wakhe. Do you think as a minister unikeze umbono o illegal noma u exempted from ukuthi wenze iphutha?
So I don't think it's a correct thing to tape somebody that is not. I'm trying to avoid using legal teams or legal, no, unlawful and all that. I don't belong there. But I would say I see nothing right about it. I guess it is wrong. If then the wrong thing, you can't come here and boast that you have stolen, but it's me who gave you you the instruction to go and steal. So you would have told me that, but especially for understanding. By the way, Nkabinde is a cop. He's a police, Nkabinde. So he cannot be given by a civilian an instruction when he's a police himself and has worked as a police and worked in the IPIT and all that kind of stuff. You cannot. The Constitution and legislative is very clear that you can't take the wrong instruction. Even the Constitution says so.
Were you aware of the alleged unethical relationship between the former IPID head, Robert McBride, and Paul O'Sullivan?
Well, yes, I have heard they are quite close by Zwana, but I don't have the evidence. How far does it take and all? But I've heard so that by Zwana, even M17, I was told what by Sizana.
Njoba usuthi ke uNkabinde beyiphoyisa kuchaza ukuthi uyamazi umbuzo wami ozoba ukuthi did you know uNkabinde law server as the chief of staff manje, but on record do you know him? Just for the record.
Yes, I do.
You do. Do you know why yekela kwa IPID?
I don't know why, but it looks like it was a clash between him and one of the seniors. I can't remember who that senior was, but it looks like there was a clash. I don't think it was a voluntary kind of resignation, but it looks like there was some clash with the senior people, which I really can't remember very, very well.
In paragraph 2 of Lieutenant General Mkhwana's statement, he claims that information he presented before the ad hoc committee was based on personal knowledge, relevant document, and discussion with informed officials. But we've been informed that the error occurred and he'll be writing a senior statement on that matter. So I wanted to ask a question on it, but the question is it true that Lieutenant General Mkhwana has stopped communicating with you after you persuaded him, after you persuaded him to ask General Khumalo to resign from SAPS?
It's not true.
It's not true. What can I do?
I think I spoke in June, and he sent me a message in July. So sending a message out, guess, is a communication.
awukaze umcela ukuthi aphushele uKhumalo ukuthi mhlamba resign eSAPS.
No, I did speak to him about Khumalo coming to work in Gauteng. We did speak about that.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Bengifuna nje ukudlulisa lapho. Ngithathe enkulumeni yakho ukuthi lento yamahearsay awuyithandi. So ngifuna siyibuke la. Do you know ukuthi who funded ANC kwi CR17 campaign?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. You said MK ufandwe uLiebenberg or ufande uBab Zuma. And I think the MK party would maybe write and talk to that matter if they wish to do so, or even uBab Zuma. So if you don't know ama funders were CR17 documents that were sealed, what intelligence did you use to get the information MK found uLiebenberg?
It was a public information.
Ibingasilwanga.
No, it was a public information that Liebenberg himself did say he has helped Umsholos to pay 500,000 for him, for his case to be enrolled.
Uke confirm mhlambe?
Yes, I have confirmed it.
How did you confirm Leo Malile?
Because it was in the court papers, and then the matter was then enrolled.
When as ubabcele uyayiconfirma leyo mali unabo ubufakazi bokuthi ayi wayithola ngempela le mali?
Ayike uLiebenberg, having said that publicly, that is information. I might be lying if he lies, but if he speaks the truth, I'm speaking the truth.
Okay, uthathi here and say wayichupha.
No, I go and hear say.
Uyizwe ngayo.
It's from the horse's mouth.
Thank you babcele. uLiebenberg lo khuluma ngayo uyena lo wanikeza unkosikazi kaBaba uPaul Mashatile iring ye-diamond?
Yes.
Uyena loyo?
Not a ring.
I-diamond.
A piece of
Piece
diamond.
of diamond. Uyena yena loyo?
Yes.
Okay. It's very clear.
So, impela uyena.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngifuna nje sidlule lapho. uMatlala ukhethe njengoba usuvumile ukuthi uyamazi.
Angaze ngiphike futhi.
Ngiyabongisa baba. Wazi amadoda amakhulu. You said uMatlala wanted to fund the president yakababa uMchunu. Siyavumelana.
What did I say?
You said uMatlala wanted to fund the presidency yakababa uMchunu.
Matlala told me that he was requested to fund. That he wanted, I'm not sure. But that he was told, I'm told.
You are told. Ngizahamba kule amahearsay ne. Lama hearsay ongawathandi.
No,
Seselapha.
it's not a hearsay. It's a horse's mouth.
Sho njalo.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think kunawo umthelela lokuthi ithenda kaMatlala icisho ize ivalwe lokuthi mhlawumbe akafunanga ukufanda ubaba uMchunu?
That will be hearsay. And I don't want to get in the hearsay. I've never heard it. It will be said by me, and when I will be hearing a hearsay from me. I have no information either told or read anywhere that is the case. So I really don't know about that.
Kule horse's mouth yaka Liebenberg. Yemali ekhokhiwe ku-MK. Yayisikhona yini MK makugena le mali okhuluma ngayo?
That's why my statement is stroke, either Msholozi or MK. So if it is not MK, Msholozi.
Oh. Sengiphelele isikhathi kanjalo. So lento ekhulumayo.
But can I add on that?
Please ba. Mhlambe usa-add ungichazisela ukuthi ushongo ukuthi mhlambe yangena nini or uyayicabangela nje uyifaka nje ngoba mele ingenile.
Ayangena.
Yangena.
Sungacheka wena ukuthi
sekusho le nkulumo yangena nini?
Manje
Imali baba. before MK
Yangena
bakhona or after MK bekhona angibuzeli ukuthi ingene ku Zoom or MK sengibuza ukuthi isiphi isikhathi salento oyikhulumayo othi awuyizwanga endleleni awuyidobhanga ndawo uyizwe kuye ngithi usasikhumbula mhlawumbe isikhathi oyizwe kuye lo muntu eyikhuluma ukuthi kunini
Ngisikhumbula kahle isikhathi, but I would not remember whether it was before or after MK. But I could say that there would be really clips and videos where MK is on the platform supporting in court, supporting.
abangukuthi siyeke mphathi ngoba sikhuluma into awunasho
No, that one is sure.
sho ngani baba ngesikhathi
Ukuthi when
Your time has unfortunately come to an end.
how much time did I have, Chair? Bathe no 20 minutes, right? Usho wena, Chair. So that means hour 20 minutes, Changit. So hour 20 minutes ayipheli manje. Kodwa phela ngideleli, Chair.
We must not argue about the allocation. We must not argue about the allocation of time.
No, Chair, athi mhlambe nguhloniphe ngivale, Chair.
We
Umbuzo
allocate 1 hour 20 minutes for a full member and an alternate. 1 hour for the member, 20 minutes for the alternate. It has been that with Honorable Ngola and Honorable Sokanyile. They finished 3 minutes before their time. You benefited from that. It's now after 10 minutes past 9. Past 7.
Kunenkinga la, Chair. Uyaziva ukuthi uthini?
Honorable members who are coming back at 8 o'clock who are breaking immediately.
Chair, kunenkinga la. Chair, even uFairwood wayengenje, wayelalela abantu yazi, Chair.